What should you do if your Lloyds Bank credit card is lost or stolen? Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to let you know what you should be doing if your Lloyds Bank credit card is lost or stolen. So in that case, what you can do is you could go ahead and simply open up your application and then go to your account, login, and you could go ahead and directly block your credit card for a temporary period. And after that, you could also visit the website that says lloydsbank.com. That is lloydsbank.com/help guide everyday banking. This is going to guide you on what you should be doing if you've lost your credit card. So you could go ahead and report a lost or stolen credit card. So you could go ahead and press this link that appears over here, type in your user ID and then a password, and log in into your account, and do the same procedure that I've mentioned earlier. If you're unable to do it or if you find that procedure quite complicated, then you can directly contact the support team at the toll-free number, or you could visit a nearby branch and let them know about it, and they will be able to help you with this situation. And if you're unable to find your credit card, and then you could go and replace it with your new one as well by consulting with the bank or the branch itself. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.